What is going on, guys? It's your boy Ellis here. This is episode 5. Oh my word, as if I've actually made 5 episodes of trading from $100 or £100, wherever you're from, whatever that currency is. This is the first week of trading live. Not my first week of trading live, but the first week of trading live within this whole series. So we've been through like strategy creation, etc, etc. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, go check them out. I can't remember them off the top of my head. But anyways, this is the video of the first week of trading live, and I'm gonna go over the trades that I've taken this week, and a little issue that I've came across. It's not been a bad week actually. Like it was meant to be last week. Today is Monday, which is the new week, but I never got a chance to record this video on Friday to put it out over the weekend maybe. So yeah, I'm gonna go over last week's performance and just go through like a topic that I think coincides with what happened within the last week. I was a bit busy last week, so yeah, things never went according to plan, but at the same time I traded the plan, and hopefully in this video I'll explain the importance of trading the plan, and you can see where I'm coming from based on what happened over the last week. So I'm gonna head over to the charts now and show you guys the trades that I've taken, and not the trade that I've taken anyways, and you can see how my thought process goes from there. Yeah, so let's head over to the charts. So back on the charts. Okay, so now let's have a look at the charts and show you the trades I've taken. So I've taken this position right here, and what I've realized, I was in a bit of a rush, so I saw the opportunity and I just put the position on. But after going back and reviewing the trade, I realized that I didn't actually follow the plan to the pin, because I just wasn't thinking at the time, and I was in a bit of a rush. So I was in my trade plan, I said that I would put stops 5 pips above or 5 pips below the previous high or low before taking the position so that's kind of like a safe place in this case, I would say, for my liking. So if I'd have went 5 pips above the previous high in this sense, this would have been the previous high here, because it's a trade somewhere around there. So the previous high would have been that. So let's go from there and go 5 pips up, bang, 5 pips up, 7, 5. So that's 5 pips right there. Let's go extremely in, and I don't know if you can see it exactly, but I would not have been stopped out. Let's go down to a lower time frame to maybe see that better. I'm 100% sure I didn't use a 5 pip stop loss. I just placed the stop like slightly above, so it could have even been a higher pip stop, a higher number. So there's 5 pips, but let's look right there. As you can see, I shouldn't have been stopped out that position by like 0.2, 0.3 of a pip. So yeah, next time, obviously, that's why it's important to stick to a plan. If I'd have stuck to the plan, done my 5 pips, but as I said, I was in a bit of a rush, then that would have been a winning position of 2% instead of losing 1%. And then over here now, I just wasn't around my computer at the time because of trading such a small time frame, 15 minutes. I'm not always going to be around my computer to find the opportunities and whatnot, so I missed this opportunity, unfortunately. But after going back on the chart, I was like, I missed that. Those would have been 2 winners. And I was also, after taking this position, I was considering to manage it on the daily time frame. So if I go down to the daily time frame, I was considering to take profits at this level right here, which is, I can't even make it out, from the 1.300 level, 1.3, which is the 1.30000 level. Yeah, so that would have been probably like a 5% gain or 10% or something like that. I can't remember at the top of my head, but let's see. Actually, from there to down here, that would have been a what gain? 17%. Oh yeah, it would have been around a 17% gain. But yeah, that happened, and this could have just been a position to add to it, but I'm currently in a position now for the start of this week, so we'll see how that one goes. This is 5 pips above. I'll make sure I calculate that one. Goes with the whole trading plan. I'm currently in the red, but we'll see how it plays out. But yeah, looks like it's not gonna go in my favor, but if it doesn't, then it doesn't. Yeah, so that's the charting side of the video. So as I was trying to get at for this video, the topic anyways is, if you haven't got a trading plan, watch the 2 previous videos. There's one that I went over a trading book that I recommend that has like various different strategies that you can try and twist in your own style and make it your own. And the last video where I went over how I created that strategy, go watch them. Create your own strategy, something that resonates with you, something that makes sense to you. and use a time frame that fits your lifestyle in a sense, because obviously if you're a busy person, as I just missed the trade that shows that trading a daily time frame, like the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, might not be the best thing. Like, I prefer to trade a daily time frame because I can just come to my computer at the end of the day and just go through charts. I don't really have to worry about what's going on intraday. But because of this video series, I'm trying to do the 15 minutes to get the opportunities and everything to show to you guys. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm excited to see what this week might bring. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment below. Let me know your thoughts and whatnot, how the week's been for you. And I will see you guys in episode 6. No, this is episode 5. Yeah, I'll see you guys in I'm gonna get confused with all these episodes. But I'll see you guys in episode 6. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and bye bye.